Hey guys, Dr. Inky here, your digital skin doctor, and today we're doing something very different. We're not going to be talking about any skincare stuff at all today. Today is something different. We received something from YouTube. Now, this particular parcel is a bit interesting because it didn't come to us directly from YouTube, but it actually bounced around in a couple of countries. I give you an example. It started from the United States of America in Oklahoma. It went all the way to Alaska, down to Incheon, Korea, then to China, Shenzhen, to Ho Chi Minh City in Vietnam, and then to us here in Malaysia. It took them 7 days to send this to. Alright guys, I think you should be able to guess what we actually got. Now, before we actually unboxed it, I'm going to let you know how we actually got it. Now, first of all, when we first started our YouTube channel, it started somewhere in the beginning of January, whereby we put up this particular video. So today, we are doing Biore UV sunscreens. In terms of smell, this one smells bad. All right, in terms of smell, it smells bad. So on average, if we take the average rating, it's 3 stars out of 5. That gives us an average of only 2.5 stars. So there we have it. So which one do I recommend? Well, I highly prefer this one. Since then, we've grown to 100,000 subscribers by the end of September. And at 100,000 subscribers, we can then apply for a silver play button, but it's not as simple as that. Right at 100,000 subscribers, we needed to wait. So the first thing I did was to apply for the verified checkmark that you see at our Skynfyx name. That requires roughly about 48 hours because it requires a manual verification of our channel to see that it's a proper channel and the videos were not plagiarized or stolen from other people's channel. And that still does not qualify us for the silver play button. Immediately I asked the customer service, what would it take for us to actually get the silver play button? And they mentioned you need to wait roughly 14 working days before you can actually apply for it, because they want to make sure that your subscribers do not drop back below 100,000. And after 14 days, they will then send you a verification code or a code or voucher code that you see on your dashboard. However, now in our case, we did not see any code after 14 days, so I reached out to the customer service and they sent me a code. The code is then entered into a specialized website whereby we ordered our silver play button, and they asked us what name would you like engraved on the silver play button, and of course we put our channel's name. So without further ado, let's unbox it. So first up, it came in a black box. Very, very nice. It's nice and thick because you had to travel many countries for it to actually arrive here. And one thing you do not want is a broken play button when it arrives. Alright, it's sealed nice and tight with cello tape. Alright, 1, 2, 3, ta-da! Alright, so this is for buffering and a nice letter. So it's written that, do you remember your first subscriber, your 1,000th or your 100th or your 1,000th subscriber? Chances are you do, and we know that you definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube and learned you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. So no matter how they came to your channel, fans stayed and numbers kept increasing because of your unique voice and excitement of being part of a growing community that you established. We are thrilled to see the development of a community and proud to honor you with the impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations! We know that you have many more stories to share. Now keep building. Now it's signed by the CEO of YouTube, Susan Wojcicki, if that's how you pronounce the name. Now, before I show you the silver play button, there's some interesting facts that you need to know. First up, there are 37 million channels on YouTube itself. There is more than the entire population of Malaysia. However, there are only 250,000 channels with a silver play button. And that is up to the year 2021. Of course, to qualify for the next creator award, which is a gold play button, you need 1 million subscribers, and that actually gets lesser, and so on and so forth. At 10 million, 50 million, at 100 million, it actually gets into a very unique elite club. So let's have a look at the silver play button. Right, I'm going to frame this up. Okay, so another award, I think this is a society award. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement. And this package was created and packaged by Rick. Thanks, Rick. I want to keep this card. All right, ladies and gentlemen, ta-da! The silver play button. I'm going to remove it from. It's actually pretty heavy. All right. Oh, nice. So if you look at the back here, right, you can actually hang it up. So this is the design of the silver play button. All right. So I think we used the camera from top anyway. So this is the design of the silver play button. The design has changed over the years. This latest design was done in 2018. So according to YouTube, it's made of 92% nickel, 5% carbon, and 2.5% zinc with other traces of other metals, so that if you do drop it, accidentally drop it, it doesn't dent that easily. So, guys, let us know in the comments below which part of our wall would you like to see it on, and then maybe at the very next video we will have it there. So ladies and gentlemen, this award is not only for me, it goes out to every one of you, because only you can make it happen. And please do follow us for more interesting videos. We will make sure we will not disappoint, and we will increase the quality of our videos. And last of all, I would like to thank the entire Skynfyx staff sitting behind the cameras, because without them, you know, the quality of the videos will not be where it is today, and we will not get the 100,000 subscriber play button. And until next time, guys, I'm Dr. Inky, your digital skin doctor, and remember to stay safe, stay healthy, and most importantly, stay informed.